Welcome to Hex and Cracks Society. Today we are going to learn how to replace any HTTP websites all images by our images. And here for man in the middle attack, here we are using MITM Framework tool. Open browser and type MITMF GitHub and click on this. Now copy the link from here. Open terminal. First I am selecting a directory for this tool. You can select or not, it's your choice. Type git clone and paste MITMF link here. And hit enter. Type cd MITMF. Now type pip install-r requirements.txt. Hit enter. Wait for some time. So MITM Framework tool is completed. So let's start. First I will show you some images. In my case, this images is present in a hacked folder inside pictures. These images will be replaced with all the images on the HTTP websites. So close it. So open terminal and type ifconfig. To check the interface and IP. This is our Kali system IP. And this is Windows 10. That we are going to use as a target machine. Open command prompt and type ipconfig to check IP of this Windows 10 system. And this is the IP of the system. Type ARP, this command will show you the internet and physical addresses. Go back to the Kali system. Now open new terminal. And go to the directory in which the MITMF is present. Type python mitm.py for run this tool and -h for help. Now type python mitmf.py-i for interface, and my interface is ulan0 --spoof -arp -hsts gateway. And here my gateway IP is 192.168.43.1. --target. And my target IP is 192.168.43.86. Now load. Plugin. Image. Randomizer. For load type -imgrand. Give the image directory by typing -img-dir. Give the path. And my img path is /root/pictures/hack/. Our all work is completed. So hit enter to start the attack. But first, whatever we typed you can see in the help above. Hit enter and the attack is started. We'll open the Windows 10 system and see if is being attacked. Now start any browser, but I am using Windows Explorer here, and open any HTTP websites. But here I am open webzone.msn.com. In Kali system we can see that the attack is properly work. Wow, the attack is done and all HTTP website images is replaced by our images. Now open the command prompt and type ARP-A. As we are seeing, both attacker and gateway have physical address same. I have stopped the attack and now let's open this website once again. Nice. This website looked something like this before the attack. Thanks for watching this video.